Right, listen up you lot. Welcome to Ayah Bunda's kitchen, the only place you need to be if you want to give your lungs a proper bloody good seeing to. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share some of my favorite recipes, packed full of flavor, that'll help detox your lungs and kick that mucus to the curb. We've got ginger, turmeric, pineapple, you name it, all prepped and ready to turn your lungs from a congested mess into a well-oiled machine. And trust me, these recipes are delicious. We're not talking about bland, boring health food here. Now, before we get started, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and ding the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future culinary masterpieces. Let's get cooking! Listen, your lungs are the unsung heroes of your body, working their socks off day in and day out to keep you breathing. But just like any hard-working part of your body, they need a bit of TLC. You see, a lot of people don't realize that what you eat can have a massive impact on your lung health. If you're constantly shoving processed crap and sugary drinks down your throat, it's no wonder your lungs are struggling. By incorporating some simple, healthy ingredients into your diet, you can give your lungs the love they deserve and help them fight off all that nasty mucus buildup. And trust me, once you start breathing easy again, you'll wonder why you didn't do this sooner. Let's kick things off with a classic ginger and turmeric tea. This stuff is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a real knockout punch for clearing out those congested airways. Ginger, that fiery little root, is a natural decongestant, helping to break down mucus and clear out your sinuses. And turmeric, well, that's a bloody miracle worker, reducing inflammation and fighting off infection like a prize fighter. To make this lung-loving brew, simply grate a knob of fresh ginger, about an inch will do, and add it to a pot of boiling water. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, then strain it into your favorite mug. You can add a squeeze of lemon for extra zing or a dollop of honey for sweetness. Next up, we're going tropical with a pineapple smoothie. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which is a natural anti-inflammatory and helps to break down mucus. Just chuck a cup of chopped pineapple into your blender, along with a banana for creaminess and a good splash of your choice of milk. Almond, coconut, whatever tickles your fancy. Blitz it all up until it's smooth and creamy, and there you have it. A refreshing and delicious way to give your lungs a helping hand. You can even add a handful of spinach or kale to sneak in some extra nutrients. Don't worry, you won't even taste it. Right, now for something a bit more potent. Garlic and honey syrup. Garlic is a natural antibiotic and has been used for centuries to fight off infections, including respiratory infections. Get yourself a few cloves of garlic, don't be shy with it, and roughly chop them up. Then, in a small saucepan, combine the garlic with about half a cup of honey. Heat it over low heat, stirring constantly, until the honey thins out and the garlic becomes fragrant. Don't let it boil. Once it's nicely combined, take it off the heat and let it cool slightly. Strain the syrup into a jar and store it in the fridge. Take a spoonful of this magic potion a few times a day, and you'll feel that mucus loosening up in no time. Finally, let's warm things up with a spicy carrot soup. Spicy foods are fantastic for clearing out the sinuses, and carrots are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that are great for overall lung health. Simply sauté some chopped onions and garlic in a bit of olive oil until softened. Then, add in chopped carrots, vegetable broth, and your favorite spices. I like to use cumin, coriander, and a good pinch of cayenne pepper for a bit of a kick. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the carrots are tender. Blend it all up until smooth and creamy, and season to taste. This soup is not only delicious, but will also help to break down that stubborn mucus and get your lungs feeling brand new. There you have it, you lot. 5 delicious and easy recipes that will have your lungs thanking you. Remember, looking after your lungs is crucial, and these recipes are a great place to start. Incorporate them into your diet, and you'll be breathing easy in no time. Let's spread the love for healthy lungs. Don't forget to subscribe to Ayah Bunda's Kitchen for more delicious and healthy recipes. I'm off to tackle a plate of my own. Until next time, keep cooking.